You have noticed something unsettling. Life is full of inconsistencies. Someone says they truly care, then their actions pull away. Someone promises you their loyalty, then they disappear very quickly. Betrayal is not the worst. It is not seeing it. Most people listen to words. They trust every simple explanation. They assume only good intentions. Then they are caught off guard. Why are you caught off guard? No one taught you behavior. Humans rarely reveal themselves directly. They reveal themselves through hidden patterns. They reveal themselves through silent reactions. The truth is simple today. Feelings happen before you think. A split second before logic, the heart sends pure messages. Logic only arrives much later. Your mind then invents stories. But the first flash is real. Here are 10 psychological facts about your hidden feelings that explain your daily life. Fact 1. Feelings beat logic. System 1 operates very automatically. It works quickly with no effort. It has no voluntary control. System 2 allocates your attention. It handles complex computations. But System 1 comes first. It generates your initial impressions. It generates your deepest feelings. If System 2 says yes, then feelings become your beliefs. You think you are rational. Actually, feelings dominate your fate. They soothe your fragile ego. They look for confirming evidence. You see what you want to see. This is the law of human nature. Fact 2. Bad news priority. Your brain is wired for threats. The amygdala is the center. It processes angry faces quickly, faster than happy, smiling faces. An angry face pops out. Bad news gets high priority. This improved our survival odds. Threats are privileged over opportunities. This is evolutionary history. Symbolic threats trigger feelings too. Bad words attract attention faster. War and crime jump out. Peace and love are slower. Your brain recoils from words like vomit. Physiological reactions are almost instant. You feel the threat immediately. Fact 3. Emotions are contagious. We are permeable to others. We catch moods like viruses. This binds the group together. We feel joy as one. We feel grief as one. We unite during sudden danger. Social media heightens this effect. Viral outrage sweeps through us. Manipulative leaders exploit this fact. We unconsciously imitate other people. We want what they have. We catch their silent anger. You imagine you have free will now, but group moods are compelling. Your susceptibility runs very deep. It affects every single response. Fact 5. The pain of loss. Losses loom larger than gains. This is called loss aversion. Losing $100 hurts deeply. Winning $100 feels only acceptable. We weigh losses almost twice as much. This asymmetry is biological. Negativity dominates our decisions today. Potential loss motivates behavior. Homeowners fear losing money the most. Saving money feels less exciting. Threatening a loss is effective. Promising a gain is weaker. We fear the sunk cost. We stay in bad situations to avoid closing the account, because losing feels like death. Fact 5. The halo illusion. First impressions shape your reality. We use the halo effect. If someone shares your politics, you suddenly like everything about them. You like their voice too. You like their physical appearance. Good-looking people seem trustworthy. Voters rarely notice this bias. Handsome politicians get more votes. We assign them intelligence. We assign them honesty. We are unaware of this process. The sequence of traits changes meaning. Stubborn sounds justified if someone is intelligent. Intelligent sounds dangerous if someone is envious. First impressions distort reality. Fact 6. Body reacts first. Common sense says fear comes first, then you run from the bear. The James Lange theory disagrees. The stimulus causes bodily reactions first. Your heart beats rapidly, adrenaline rushes through your body. Then you become afraid. The body reacts first, and emotion follows. There is subjective evidence for this.
Action happens before the feeling. The heart pounds, then fear arrives. Cognitive labeling theory adds another layer. Generalized arousal needs a label. Context determines the specific emotion. You label arousal as anger, or you label it as love. Fact 8. Mood controls intuition. Cognitive ease creates good feelings. A faint smile appears. Things feel safe. No threats are currently detected. No major danger seems present. You trust your intuitions then. But a strained mood changes everything. You become vigilant and suspicious. You invest more mental effort. Happiness makes you more creative, but it can also make you gullible. You become prone to errors. Unhappy people lose trust in intuition. Their guesses become almost random. Bad moods require vigilance. Mood is your internal signal. Fact 9. Memories are lies. Memory is not a recording. It is a constructive process. We use cues to rebuild experiences. The original event activates mental nodes. Then we search for associations. We construct a representation in the present and pretend it is perfectly real. But new details are added constantly. False memories happen. Illusory memories happen. The remembering self keeps score. It ignores total duration. It remembers only the peak and the ending. You repeat experiences from memory, not necessarily for the real experience itself. This is memory's tyranny. Fact 9. Childhood attachment patterns. Character has deep genetic layers. Wiring predisposes us towards certain moods. Then, early attachment shapes additional layers. These traces become deeply rooted. Emotions were intense in childhood. Mothers often provide 4 basic schemas: free, dismissing, enmeshed, or disorganized. Dismissing mothers create avoidant children. They wall themselves off from dependency. Enmeshed mothers create anxious children. Children feel conflicting emotions. They pursue people, then retreat from them. You display a particular emotional tone: secure, confident, or perhaps needy. Most of these layers remain unconscious, yet they still compel future behavior. Fact 10. Emotions give energy. Affect and cognition are inseparable. Every interaction involves valuation. You cannot reason without feelings, even in pure mathematics. No affect exists without discrimination. Intelligence involves regulating energy. Interest and effort are emotional processes. Feelings appoint goals for behavior. Intelligence merely provides the means. Every action contains an energetic force. This is the affective dimension. Knowledge provides structure. Feeling provides movement. Structure depends on intelligence, but action depends on both. They are never truly independent faculties. Conclusion: clarity is power. Understanding people brings quiet power. Read behavior, not just words. Recognize hidden emotional patterns. Then confusion begins to fade. Stop asking, why did they do that? Start saying, of course they did. Emotional reactions reveal inner truth. They rise before the conscious mind. They expose inner structure. Every reaction protects something internal. Intensity signals a psychological core. Observe how people handle stress. Clarity under pressure is power. Now choose clarity over confusion. Step back and observe today. Understand instead of merely reacting.